Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now let me introduce you to the LY850 stand-on mini skid steer loader. LY850 is rated loader 350 kg with a 0.2 cubic meters bucket, powered by a Kubota 18.2 kW engine. It is hydraulic drive. The PWG pumps supply oil stably, and the Danfoss motor transmits power efficiently. Working in tandem, they make the operation smoother. The anti-slip pedal ensures safe boarding and lighting. On the operating console, the control level is flexible and precise, and the instrument panel monitors in real time. Whether it's construction, gardening, or warehouse logistics, the LY850 can handle it with ease.